If you notice water under your vehicle, even if it's a whole lot of water, if it's clean and clear and it doesn't have any strong odors and it doesn't feel oily or sticky or anything like that, then it's just from your air conditioning. Don't worry about it, it's not a problem, and I'll explain why. Basically, the air conditioning has a system where it transfers heat from the inside of the vehicle to the outside of the vehicle. And when it does that, it condenses water on what's called a evaporator coil. And it's on the inside of the vehicle. You can't see it, but it has a little tube that when it absorbs water on the outside, it basically doesn't absorb it, it just collects on the outside, similar to a glass of cold water, where water condenses on that cold surface and then drips off, right? It's just like that. It's just constantly condensing all the moisture that happens to be in the air in the cabin, especially if you have the windows down, it'll really, drip a lot of water. And then there's a little tube that drips it on the ground outside the vehicle to get it outside. You don't want it dripping in the floorboard, so you want it outside the vehicle. And then, so there you go, it'll just drip underneath the vehicle, and then you'll have a puddle of clean, clear water. So yeah, don't worry about it if there's water. Just make sure that you check it and make sure that it's not oily or stinky. Like all the fluids will either be oily, like oil from your engine. Brake fluid has a very strong smell to it. It's clear, but has a very strong smell to it. Transmission fluid has a color and an odor. And then, of course, coolant, which is antifreeze, will be mixed with water, but it has a strong smell and it has a certain kind of slippery, weird feeling to it. It's not just regular clean water. So clear water, absolutely no problem. It's going to be possibly a huge puddle, and it could happen in the wintertime because your vehicle uses the air conditioning system to defrost the windows and stuff like that. So summer or wintertime, you could experience this. But when it's very humid outside, it's definitely going to be a lot of water.